Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming two essentials. Your iPad is on the same Wi-Fi as the target display, and AirPlay is enabled on that display. Once done, swipe into Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring. This starts the discovery process. If the device name appears, select it. This initiates the connection. You do this now to avoid time wasting. It's the quickest path to a live mirror and sets up everything for the next, slightly more detailed steps. If mirroring stalls, restart both devices. A quick reboot often clears discovery glitches. Then inspect your network. Make sure both the iPad and target are on the same Wi-Fi band, mismatched 2. 4 versus 5 GHz can block AirPlay. Once done, turn off VPNs and quit competing apps that use casting. They can occupy the service. Also, check router firewall rules and, if possible, temporarily allow device-to-device communication so AirPlay can negotiate smoothly and transfer the stream. Finish by confirming audio and video sync. If you see lag, toggle orientation or change the display's aspect ratio. This often fixes cropping or black bars. If wireless still misbehaves, try a Lightning/USB-C to HDMI adapter for a direct mirror. It's reliable and low latency. And if nothing helps, reset network settings on the iPad as a last resort. Make sure you've saved Wi-Fi passwords because that wipes them. This single troubleshooting tip usually resolves persistent network-related mirroring problems.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.